Uh, Anyone else? Please go ahead and let's make it a little more lively.
So I would like to add on something, Ms. Nandita.
Yeah, yeah.
Recently, we have been just understanding it's blended learning is not only happening at the school level. I've been associated with the colleges as well. So I see
Mhm.
that now, education, especially in India, I'm talking about, the NEP talks about the online courses as well. So what we are doing that equally importance is giving to the online courses as well, online degrees as well is getting a lot of importance these days, whether the students is going to do any diploma course or the proper the MBA degree or a graduation degree, it carries equal weightage. So blended learning is happening everywhere these days, plus
Correct,
it will
correct.
help the career aspect as well, because of these things, we have lots of career options these days. Earlier, we used to have only doctors, lawyers, engineers in place, and the teaching part. But yes, these days, thanks to technology, once again, that we have got a lot of creators these days. So that is
Yes,
because of
yes.
online learning. That is because of the blended learning only, that they are able to become creators, and they are creating a lot of opportunities to the others, for the other person as well. So I
Yes, yes.
think Dr. Dawood and Ms. Nadita, you must be knowing. I don't know whether Catherine knows, or Miss Shelley knows. We had recently got this opportunity to watch National Creators Award, and
Correct.
thanks to our PM Modi ji, they are these creators, how they have become creators. Again, the online. So I think blended learning is happening everywhere these days, and that is the future actually.
Correct, correct.